For this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to install Kurzweil. Before you start this process, it is important that you have registered with the Access Center, turned in appropriate documentation, met with an advisor, and requested and have been approved for the specific accommodation. Kurzweil 3000 is a software that will read electronic tests saved in various formats, with the main format being PDF. This is the most popular because many professors save articles on D2L that can be downloaded to your desktop so that Kurzweil can read it. Also, your digital textbooks are provided to you in this format as well. To download the software, you will go to kurzweiledu.com. You will then select Kurzweil Academy and go to the Download Center. Next, you will go to Product Guides and select Web License Ed Install Guide. This guide gives an easy step-by-step explanation of how to install the application. If you can install Kurzweil before coming into the Access Center for your training on using this tool, it will save a lot of time because the download can take around 20 minutes. Once the installation process is complete, you will need to contact the Access Center at accesscenter@uwlax.edu to let us know that you have completed the installation process so that we can set up your account and give you your login information. If you feel as though you would like to be trained on this tool, you can set up an appointment with the Access Center. If you have any other questions about this process, feel free to contact us at the Access Center. Thanks for watching.